Well, hi, Annie Leeth. How are you tonight? You are always so happy. Is that really the case? Every time you are always just happy. It rubs off, too. It makes everybody feel happy. So, well, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I'm so glad to have you here, and your guitar looks a little different than everybody else's.
A little bit weirder, more feedback. I'm kidding. Sorry.
Well, tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm a senior at University of Georgia, and my major is violin performance and music composition. I work a lot with electronics.
And you play in several bands, and you do a lot of solo stuff, and you're a senior now and graduating in May, right?
Yes, and staying around, so if anyone needs a
Well,
violinist
we don't want to lose you.
Yeah.
Well, what would you like to play for us first, and tell us a little bit about it?
This is off of my first album. It's called Latch, and I wrote it when I was in the middle of nowhere, Colorado, deciding how to be an audio engineer. So, yeah.
It's called Lash?
Latch.
Latch.
Yes.
It's my darn accent. Latch.
It's good.
Here's Latch, Annie Leeth. Wow, that's Annie Leeth with Latch. Is that recorded, Annie? Do you have that somewhere we can listen to it and find it?
Yes, yeah, it's right over here.
Right over here on the merchant table. Wow. I think I heard, you may have a YouTube listing too on that too, don't you? Or
Yeah, I'm on Spotify as well.
because I thought I saw University of Georgia link that had you performing, but it was very nice, yeah. But I think it was Latch. It was Latch. That's Annie Leeth, everyone. Latch.